People over 60. Your muscles are disappearing without these nutrients. Picture yourself at 70, standing in front of a mirror and noticing your body isn't as strong as it used to be. Simple tasks like climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or playing with your grandkids now leave you out of breath. The worrying truth is by this age, you may have lost up to 40% of your muscle strength, often without realizing it. This isn't just about a weaker body. It's about losing the freedom to do what you love, the joy of independence, and precious time with family without needing help. A study from Johns Hopkins University shows that severe muscle loss increases your risk of mobility issues by 320%, possibly leading to wheelchairs or long-term care in nursing homes. But don't let that number scare you. Many believe losing muscle is just part of getting older and do nothing to change it. The reality is different. You can hold on to and even rebuild your strength. The secret lies in 6 key nutrients from vitamin D and magnesium to creatine that can revive your muscles even at 80. With 78% of older adults lacking these nutrients, their muscles are like a car running out of gas, unable to go far. Today, we'll reveal how to add the right fuel to live strong, live happy, and walk confidently every day. Join us on this journey, and don't forget to hit like, share with friends, or leave a comment with your story to spread this health secret far and wide. As you age, your muscles naturally weaken a bit, a process called sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. It starts quietly in your 30s, but speeds up after 65. You might find it harder to get up from a chair, carry a heavy basket of vegetables, or stay balanced while walking. These changes don't just tire you out. They raise the risk of falls, injuries, or needing help with tasks you once did easily. Many think that's just how aging works. But the truth is, muscles weaken faster if you're missing key nutrients. Imagine your muscles as a house without bricks, like vitamin D or magnesium. The house wobbles and could collapse. The good news is you can rebuild that house. With the right diet, a bit of movement, and the 6 nutrients below you can keep your muscles strong. Walk with confidence and live a full life with family and friends. 1. Coenzyme Q10. First up is CoQ10, a tiny but powerful substance that keeps your muscles full of energy. Think of CoQ10 as a battery inside your body, tucked into little factories within muscle cells that produce over 95% of the energy you need to walk, lift things, or do chores. But as you age, this battery runs low, dropping by up to 65%, leaving your arms and legs heavy and tired after just a few steps. For example, you might struggle to carry groceries from the market or feel exhausted after tidying the house simply because your muscles lack power. What's notable is many older adults take statin drugs to manage cholesterol, but these drugs drastically reduce CoQ10. Over 60% of statin users report muscle pain, weakness, or fatigue, as if their muscles have no strength left. Imagine your neighbor, an elderly man, who finds it hard to climb a few steps to his door, just because statins have drained his CoQ10. Foods like salmon mackerel liver or whole grains contain CoQ10, but only in small amounts, not enough to make up the shortfall. To strengthen your muscles again, you need about 100 to 200 milligrams of CoQ10 daily, or 200 to 300 milligrams if you take statins. Doctor's Best High Absorption CoQ10 adds a pinch of black pepper to help your body use it 30% better with a form of CoQ10 that works right away in your muscles. If you often feel bloated or have a sensitive stomach, Kunal Ultra. CoQ10 is a great choice with a water-soluble formula that absorbs 300% better. Like filling your car with premium fuel, CoQ10 not only boosts muscle energy but also eases aches, letting you enjoy favorite activities like gardening, strolling, or playing with grandkids. Try adding CoQ10 to your daily routine, and you'll feel your body recharge, ready to embrace life fully. 2. Vitamin D. Next is vitamin D, not just for strong bones, but a true friend to your muscles. Vitamin D is like sunshine inside you, helping muscles work smoothly so you don't wobble when walking or standing up. A study found that older adults with enough vitamin D cut their fall risk by 20%. crucial since falls can lead to hospital stays or loss of independence. Sadly, over 40% of older adults lack vitamin D, especially if you stay indoors, live in a home, or are in a place with long winters. Imagine you're in an apartment with little light, spending most days inside. Over time, you find it tough to step downstairs or get up from a chair with legs feeling shaky. That could be because low vitamin D is weakening your muscles. Vitamin D also helps your body use calcium to flex muscles properly, like a guitar string tuned just right. Without it, muscles are like loose strings with no power. You need about 800 to 1,000 IU of vitamin D daily, or 1,000 to 2,000 IU if you get little sun. Eating salmon, mackerel, egg yolks, or fortified milk helps. But many still need a supplement. Nature-made vitamin D3 2,000 IU uses a type of D3 that's 87% stronger than D2, tested carefully for safety, like buying a product with a quality seal. If you prefer something easier to swallow, Nordic Naturals Vitamin D3 gives 1,000 IU per drop with olive oil to help your body soak it up better. Perfect for older adults with tummy troubles. With vitamin D, your muscles will feel firmer, you'll walk confidently, and won't worry about tripping when out with grandkids or shopping. Add vitamin D to bathe your muscles in strength every day for a healthier, happier you. 3. Vitamin B12. Halfway through is vitamin B12, a nutrient that keeps your muscles and brain talking like a phone, connecting you to loved ones. As you age, your body struggles to pull B12 from food, especially if you have stomach issues or take drugs like diabetes meds or stomach pills. About 30% of people over 50 lack B12, causing weak muscles, shaky hands, or trouble walking. You might think it's just old age, but your body is signaling it needs help. For instance, you might find it hard to grip a glass steadily, write without trembling, or walk without stumbling as if the floor is slippery. That could be low B12, weakening nerves, so muscles don't follow your brain's orders. B12 also helps make red blood cells to carry oxygen to muscles, like fresh air for a runner. Without oxygen, muscles tire fast and everything feels sluggish. You need 2.4 micrograms of B12 daily. But if your body doesn't absorb well, like many older adults, you might need more or even shots. Eating beef, fish, eggs, or milk provides B12. But if your stomach's weak, you won't get enough from food. Jarrow Formula's Methyl B12 is a lozenge that melts under your tongue, easy to use, and stays in your body longer, like sending a direct message to your muscles. If swallowing pills is tough, Garden of Life Vitamin Code Raw B12 spray boosts absorption by 60% with natural ingredients that soothe your stomach, like sipping cool fruit juice. With B12, your muscles will respond better to your brain, letting you hold things firmly, walk steadily, and do tasks smoothly. Try B12 to feel your body reconnect, ready for active days. 4. Vitamin C. Third is vitamin C, not just for colds, but a fantastic muscle protector. Think of vitamin C as strong ropes holding your muscles tight so they don't tear or hurt when you lift things, walk, or garden. It's also like a shield, keeping muscles safe from wear and tear as you age, so you stay strong longer. A study shows older adults with enough vitamin C grip harder and move more nimbly, as if their muscles gained a few years back. Picture yourself loving morning walks in the park. Without enough vitamin C, you might feel worn out after a few steps, legs heavy, like carrying weights, because your muscles lack protection. Vitamin C also helps muscles turn fat into energy, like logs fueling a fireplace, so you can do chores or play with grandkids without tiring. If it's low, your muscles go hungry and everything feels sluggish. You need 75 to 90 milligrams daily, but 200 to 400 milligrams is better for top muscle health. Eating oranges, berries, bell peppers, tomatoes, or broccoli is a great way, but your body doesn't store vitamin C long, so you need it every day. Pure encapsulations. Vitamin C with flavonoids adds citrus compounds to help your body use it 35% better, like drinking pure fresh orange juice. Live On Labs liposomal vitamin C wraps the vitamin in a special layer, absorbing 98% better, like sending fuel straight to your muscles fast. With vitamin C, your muscles will feel flexible, chores become easier, and you'll enjoy outings without fatigue. Add vitamin C to keep your muscles fresh, like a well-watered garden. 5. Magnesium. Near the end is magnesium, a nutrient that lets muscles relax after work, like when you carry groceries and don't cramp up afterward. Over 60% of older adults lack magnesium, especially if taking drugs like blood pressure pills, stomach meds, or water pills that flush it out faster. Low magnesium makes muscles stiff, sore, and tired, like a motorbike without oil squeaking after a short ride. For example, you walk back from the market and your legs cramp, or you wake up with stiff muscles, finding it hard to move. That could be low magnesium, stopping muscles from resting properly. Magnesium is also like fuel for muscles to make energy and stay strong, helping you lift things, walk, or garden without tiring. You need 320 milligrams if female or 420 milligrams if male daily. Spinach, cashews, black beans, or whole grains have magnesium, but getting enough from food is a big challenge. Doctor's Best High Absorption Magnesium uses a type that absorbs 4 times better than cheap kinds without upsetting your stomach or causing bathroom issues. It's like adding top-notch oil to your engine for a smooth ride. With magnesium, your muscles will feel light, no more cramps, you'll walk easily, and sleep better, ready for a lively new day. Try magnesium to make your muscles feel massaged daily, bringing comfort and strength. 6. Creatine. Topping the list is creatine, an amazing nutrient not just for young gym-goers, but a secret weapon for older adults. Think of creatine as a spare gas tank, giving muscles instant power to stand up, climb stairs, or dash to catch a bus. After 60, muscles struggle to fix themselves, but creatine boosts their repair by 35%. A study shows older adults using creatine with light exercise gain 14% more muscle strength and about 1 kilogram of muscle in just 12 weeks. Like hitting the fast-forward button on muscle growth. Imagine carrying groceries home without panting or kicking a ball with grandkids full of energy. That's what creatine does. It's in beef, chicken, or fish, but you'd need to eat 1 kilogram of meat daily to get enough. Nearly impossible. Just 3 to 5 grams daily, a tiny teaspoon, does the trick. Optimum Nutrition, micronized creatine. Monohydrate, mixes easily absorbing, 20 times better, safe, with over 200 studies proving it even for long-term use. Creatine also helps memory, keeping you sharp and strong, like a car that drives fast and steers perfectly. With creatine, your muscles will feel powerful, tasks become effortless, and you'll embrace a more active life. Muscles don't weaken just because you're older. Missing nutrients like vitamin D, B12, or magnesium starves your muscles, making them fade faster, like a plant without water. Sitting all day watching TV puts muscles to sleep, unwilling to work. Drugs like statins or blood pressure pills can steal key nutrients, leaving muscles struggling. Those staying indoors, avoiding sun, or eating plain meals, just rice and veggies, face higher risks. But what can you do to keep muscles strong? First, eat a variety of greens, fish, lean meats, fruits, and nuts. Aim for 1 to 1.3 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, like a piece of chicken, a bowl of tofu, or a yogurt per meal. Second, move every day. Walk for 30 minutes. Lift light water bottles or garden to wake muscles up. A study shows light exercise a few times weekly can boost strength noticeably. Also, drink enough water to keep muscles from drying out, like watering a plant for green leaves. Keep your home tidy, no loose cords or rugs to avoid tripping, especially at night. Join friends for walks, play chess, or volunteer to stay active and lift your spirits, helping you eat better. Don't skip health checkups. A simple blood test can show if you're low on nutrients like magnesium or vitamin D, so you can fix it early. For instance, an elderly woman catching low B12 in time might avoid shaky hands and walk steadily. Keeping muscles strong means holding on to freedom, joy, and time with loved ones. Weak muscles aren't something you have to accept as you age. CoQ10 fuels your steps. Vitamin D keeps you steady. B12 makes hands and feet nimble. Vitamin C shields muscles from fatigue. Magnesium banishes cramps, and creatine rebuilds strength. Like in your younger days, together they're like a superhero team helping you live strong and happy daily. Don't let nutrient shortages steal precious moments, like hugging grandkids strolling in the park or tending your home. Start with small steps, add fish to dinner, walk around the block, or ask your doctor about vitamin supplements. An elderly man starting vitamin D and light exercise might feel stronger confidently carrying groceries home in just months. Every change today is a big gift for tomorrow. See your doctor for a checkup and find what suits you best. A blood test could unlock the door to health. Strong muscles aren't just power. They're freedom, joy, and a chance to live fully with family and friends. We hope this article inspires you to care for yourself better. If it's helpful, hit like, share with loved ones, and comment on which nutrient surprised you most, or if you've tried any. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Together we can make aging the brightest time, full of vitality and happiness.